68 is line 1 equals y.
Line 1 is equal.
Y equals -5. I mean negative 4 over 5x. Negative 4 over 5x.
Negative 4/5 x.
Minus 5.
Minus
5.
5. Line 2.
Y equals. Oh shit.
Equal.
5 over 4x.
5 over 4x.
Plus 1.
Plus
1.
1. Alright, this is parallel or perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
We have to determine if they are parallel or perpendicular. Parallel now, they must have what?
Same slope.
Same slope, different y-intercept. Perpendicular, if you multiply the two slopes, the outcome must be equal to what?
-1.
Negative 1, or they are
reciprocal
of one another. So let's identify the slope first.
You.
Alright. For line 1, what is the slope? Negative 4/5, right?
Right.
What is the y-intercept for line 1?
-5.
Negative 5. For line 2, what is the slope?
5 over 4.
5 over 4. For B2, what is that?
1.
1. So let's multiply the two slope. That will be M1 times M2 to see what the outcome is. What is M1?
-4 over 5.
Negative 4 over 5 multiplied by
5 over 4.
5 over 4. What is the outcome of that?
Let me see. -20 over 20.
Which is?
-1.
Negative 1. Based on that, what can you claim?
They're perpendicular.
They are perpendicular. They are opposite reciprocal of one another.
Mr. Decius, do we gotta do that, or we could just look at the problem and
You have to prove they are the same slope or opposite of reciprocal. You have to give me the slope.
But you can see the damn thing.
You have to show the work. Don't be lazy. Right?
Right.
This is one of the definition of perpendicular line. If the product is equal to -1, they're perpendicular. If they were the same, exactly identical, different y-intercept, what will you say?
Say that again.
If they have the same slope, different y-intercept.
Are they parallel?
They are parallel. That's it.
You kind of said that too quick.
Alright, I will do last question, then I give you the rest of the time to review for Wednesday. Make sense?
Right.
Alright, last question.
What's the number?
Which was what number?
80.
Question number 80.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, in the question to start with,
6x
6x
plus 2y
plus 2y
equals 9.
equal
9.
9.
And then point.
Point? What is the point?
-3.9.
You got it?
3.9.
You guys come with decimal. 3.9 comma.
-1.4.
You got it?
1.4.
1.4. Alright?
Oh.
So I can change that as 39, negative 39, and negative 14. Multiply 10 by 10. If you want to, we could have done that, right? Make sense? It doesn't need no level. I will do it as is. Right?
Alright.
First, I need to find my slope. What is A? What is B?
2.
And what is C?
9.
9. Then I can find my slope. My slope minus A over B. In this case, what is the slope?
6 over
Minus
2.
6 over
2.
2. Then my slope is what?
-3.
Negative 3. That's my slope. Right?
Right.
Now I know my slope. Read the question. What you are supposed to do?
Find equations of the line that passes through the point given and are parallel.
Right. I will have to write two equations. One that is parallel, one that is what?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. For the one that is parallel, what will be my slope that I must use?
-3.
-3. This is my slope. I'm going to use the same slope. And this is my x1 This is my y1, right?
Right.
You have two options. You can use y equal mx plus b. Just solve for b. I'll do both options. In this case, what is y? Negative 1.4. You guys did not use negative 14, so I will use negative 1.4. What is my slope?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. What is my x? Negative 3.9 plus b. So we're going to solve for b. So I will have negative 1.4 equal. When you multiply two negative, what happened? Use the calculator now.
You get a positive.
What did you get? 3 times 3.9. Is that 11.7? Do you guys have calculator? Eh? 11.7 plus b. How will you get b by itself now?
Subtract 11.7.
Subtract 11.7 from each side. In this case, what is b?
13.1. Negative 13.1. Negative 13.1.
Negative
13.1.
13.1. Now what is my equation? Y equal
Negative 3.
negative 3
Minus
negative 3
x
minus
13.1.
13.1. That's my first equation for the parallel one. Then I'm done. 13.1, that's 2011. This is my equation for the parallel one. Now for the perpendicular one, what will be my slope?
1/3.
Good for you. The slope that is perpendicular to that is the reciprocal of that. Opposite reciprocal of that. It was negative 3/1, therefore this will be 1/3. Then I'm going to use the same point again. Right? Then in this case, my y1 is negative 1.4 equal my slope, which is what?
1/3.
1/3 times
3.9.
negative
Negative 3.9.
3.9 plus b. Again, use your calculator to do your multiplication. I will have negative 1.4. Alright? That will be negative 3.9 divided by 3. Right? 1/3 is to divide by 3. What is negative 3.9 divided by 3? Calculator. Negative 1.3 plus b. How can I find b?
Add 1.3.
You add 1.3 to each side. What is b?
0.1. Negative 0.1.
Negative
0.
negative
0.1.
0.1. Then what is my equation? Y equal
1/3x.
1/3 x, or x/3 minus 0.1. Alright, if you want to put 1, you put 1, but then you're done. Does that make sense? Then you're done.